what I'm saying? Put another 10K real quick, you know what I'm saying? I like the gang shit, you know what I'm saying? Huh? Big racks. You know what I'm saying? Nigga bought his fur with cash, you know what I'm saying? Young nigga bought his fur with cash, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Boonk game a lot of gang shit, you know what I'm saying? Fuck wrong with you ugly ass nigga. What they talking about? Fucking said I wasn't gonna be shit, know what I'm saying? My own mama told me that, know what I'm saying, nigga? I just bought a Beamer, nigga, cash, nigga, pay that shit off cash, nigga, know what I'm saying? Got a Beamer and a Ducati, nigga, and a crib, nigga. What now, nigga? Know what I'm saying? Whole lot of gang shit, nigga. Yeah.
Hey, yo, Boonk. Hey, yo, can you slow down, though? Please, bro. Who got his first equipment on how to act, dog? Oh, my fucking gosh. Yo, my fucking check. Yo. This nigga laughing, bro. Yo. Hey, yo, slow down, bro.
Hey, man, chill.
Yo, chill, bro. Yo, chill. Yo, shit, bro. Oh, my fucking God, dog.